Hey there, resin creators. Happy Sunday. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Hopefully that involves a little bit of resin, or maybe you're enjoying some other fun family activities. I want to let you know on a little special or a little something that I'm sharing with everyone between now and next Sunday, February 14th, 2021. We're going to call this our Valentine's Day, or maybe our Galentine's Day special. So you want to learn how to make these earrings? I would love to share that with you. So these are resin and metal earrings. Here they are in a different color. Resin and metal. Okay, you can see we've got a really pretty metal ring on these. They're filled with resin. You can do them in all kinds of funky colors. Like I've got green that I'm doing with. I'm wearing the pink ones. The pink ones are my favorite. You can do any color you want. And I have never shared this tutorial publicly before, but I want to share it with you if you want to get this. Okay, so right now the tutorial is live, and I'll share a little link with you when I'm done here on where you can go get the tutorial right now if you want it. Okay, so you can go get it right now, but you got to buy it. But between now and February 14th, which is next Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Eastern, if you make a purchase of $30 or more on resinobsession.com before shipping or before any other educational stuff, if you make a purchase of $30 or more, you're going to get the tutorial on how to make these, okay? And when I say tutorial, you're going to get the written steps, you're going to get a video, you're going to get a transcript of the video, and you're going to get a complete supply list, okay? And you know what the best part about these earrings is? And I wouldn't be making this up. You need absolutely no metalsmithing experience to work with these or to make these, okay? So you don't need to know how to solder. You don't need like all kinds of fancy equipment. You can make these, I promise. And when you see how to make these, your mind is going to go crazy with all the possibilities of everything you can do, okay? So buy it now, or you get it for free with any purchase of $30 or more through the end of the day next Sunday, okay? So I'm going to post the link here in the video. Hop on over there. And I can't wait to see what kind of earrings you guys make. All kinds of colors. Yellow the best. Okay, so happy Sunday, and let's talk again soon. Mwah.